We got the senior leadership of Bolerit with us at IMTEX 2025, and we're going to talk about some of the new products, some new initiatives that they have launched in the market. So firstly, if you want to tell us about what's new in the market that you have launched.
Hi, I'm Vijayan. I'm the sales head of Bilz India. Bilz India also represents Bolerit, which is an 100-year-old Austrian-based company. Yeah, we have products like bar peeling and scarfing and crankshaft machining, which is a product which Bolerit is the world leader. We are now offering them in India, and we also have now a technical support. We have people trained in Austria to support these products. So these are the main focus for these products in the show right now.
Sustainability is a huge word today. Yeah. So what are some of the sustainable solutions that you have launched in your company?
Okay, look, all these products today are made out of carbides. They are imported from Austria, right? We are also having technical support from Austria, so that the service support is there from them for these. These are all high-end products, not so commonly used in the Indian industry. Okay, so this is mainly the technical support is the one which really can give push to the products into the market. So it's mainly the technical support which we're working on. We have people trained in Austria for this specific application.
Some opportunities, some new markets that you would be tapping in the coming 1 year that you would like to tell us about.
In India we now see the growth of aerospace industries, right? We also have the EV manufacturing that is coming up. We have special programs for the EV industry, for the aerospace industry. Shipbuilding is growing in India, okay? A lot of energy segment products like windmills and turbines. So these are all applications in India which are growing, and we have products specific for these industries. So this is the focus for us with these products.
Any growth figures, any plans for the Indian market that you would want to tell us about?
I think it's too early to talk about growth. We have just started 4-5 years ago. We have grown about 15% from 23 and 24. We are looking at another 15-20%. We are going slow because these are Austrian-based products. They are not so cost-friendly. These are going to be application-based, performance-based. We are confident that in the coming years, for sure, there's a good growth prospect of this product. Yeah, we will go take it along as we grow in the market.
Thank you so much, sir, for talking to us. Thank you.